In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a media source in OBS Studio, how to add videos into OBS Studio. First, open OBS Studio and make sure you're in the scene where you want the video to appear. Think of a scene as a canvas that holds everything your viewers see, your camera, overlays, and in this case, a video clip. Choosing the right scene now keeps your workflow clean later. Look down to the Sources dock and click the plus button. From the list, choose Media Source. This source type is designed for pre-recorded videos and animated files, and it also handles the audio that's embedded in those files. OBS will ask you to name the source. Give it a clear name you'll recognize at a glance, like intro video or background loop, then click OK. Naming matters when your scenes get busy. Next, click Browse and locate the video file on your computer. Common formats like MP4, MOV, and MKV work well. Pick the exact file you want, ideally from a folder that won't move so the path stays valid the next time you open the project. Now let's configure a few important options. If you want the video to keep playing on repeat, enable loop. This is great for background visuals or waiting screens. If you want the video to start from the beginning every time the source becomes visible, turn on restart playback when source becomes active. That's perfect for intros or stingers because it guarantees a clean start whenever you switch to this scene. To save system resources, you can enable close file when inactive. When the source isn't visible, OBS will unload it, freeing up memory and CPU. Just remember that reloading a very large file or one stored on a slow drive can take a moment when it becomes active again. When you're happy with the settings, click OK. Your video will appear on the preview canvas. Finally, adjust the layout. Click and drag the red bounding box to move the video and use the corner handles to resize it so it fits your design. If you're aiming for full screen, scale it to fill the canvas while keeping an eye on aspect ratio to avoid stretching. You can also use the preview to align the video with other elements like frames or text so everything looks polished. That's it. You've added a media source, configured how it behaves, and placed it exactly where you want it in your scene. Now you're ready to build engaging scenes with smooth video playback.